Hello, teacher.
Okay, I'm teacher Alex. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Evan. I'm 6. I'm from Vietnam. I'm tall.
Very good. Tell me, Evan, are you ready for the test?
Yeah.
Give me a 5. Well done. Let's start with some countries. Tell me, what country is this?
Great Britain.
Great Britain. Well done. What about this one?
Egypt.
Egypt. Very good. What about that?
Mexico.
Mexico. That's right. And what about this?
Russia.
Russia. Okay. What is this country?
Vietnam.
Vietnam. Evan, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Vietnam. Well done. Okay, let's choose one superhero. Let's choose again. Wonderful. Spider-Man. Tell me about Spider-Man.
This is my friend. He Spider-Man. He big.
Very good. Let's choose one more superhero. Batman. Tell me about Batman.
This is my friend. He Batman. He big.
Very well done. Thank you. Give me a high five, everyone. Yeah. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.